Due attention is given to the entire polishing process at our production unit. We have pre-sizing machines. Our advanced polishing line can polish 13,000 square meters of slab surface in 24 hours. Three nano polishing machines which are used before the tiles move to the final sizing. Quality control is of utmost importance at Accord, and several measures are in place. Accord has a size planner from Apple, which is a straightforward quality control instrument for porcelain slabs. It is used to inspect dimensions diagonally, ensure flatness and thickness of the slab, all with a precision of within 1/10 of a millimeter. Accord has a go-down space up to 28,000 square meter of its products with ease.
Made in India.